Got a crank no start on my 2003 Common Rail Cummins 2500. I bought a cap off tool off Amazon for about 20 bucks. I've just been going down the rail one at a time. I want to say I'm to the third injector, and this is what I get. Oh, I gotta grab my key. So I've just been going down the line on my rail and finally got to the injector that I suspect is the issue. So we're gonna change it out, but here it is capped off and it starts up. Previous to this, it would just sit, crank and crank. I'd get nothing out of it, so it's only running on 5 cylinders right now, so it sounds like shit, but it's running. So there you guys go. Maybe it can help somebody out.